of the vlog.
Let's go find him.
Is it smart?
No.
Mr. Floyd, I see Mr. Floyd! Mr. Floyd!
We out here.
Hola,
Fire alarm got pulled. Secretly a school shooting. Don't tell
done,
nobody. Vlogging all day, every day. You already know how it be. We be vlogging and flossing and being awesome. We be hogging. I'm gonna give you back now.
Nope. Thank you.
Hey.
Can you turn it off? Someone burnt popcorn. And now we're standing outside. Hey guys, welcome to the ferry boat tour. This is a huge boat. We feel like we've established it's like an airport. Bruh.
Oh my god, what are you supposed to do with it? You're supposed to walk off the boat.
I kind of want chips. Fat ass. Whoa. Wait a minute. How does this work? Whoa. What is that of the vlog? Cool. Gucci.
Take a little walkaroo.
Please follow all instructions.
The emergency boat?
And on the car deck,
Whoa.
in drop bins.
Look at this. It's like this is like a ballroom. La 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 la. This is like from here to here is like the size of the normal boat. It's a nice ass bathroom. What the heck? We're thriving. Even these things.
Use these.
Thanks for joining our ferry
Thank you for your
adventure
attention.
really fun
We hope you
vlog.
enjoy your trip.